Dear students of UP Board English Literature, today our topic is in this lecture 3, English medium lecture on his blindness. On his blindness, that is composed by John Milton. We will study sestate of this sonnet, and that is from But Patience up to Wait. And now let's begin this sestate. You know, students, I have already told you that in Petrarchan sonnet, the poet puts all his problems and miseries and irritations in first 8 lines, that is written in octave. Now we are going to begin sestate and we will see how he resolves his problems. Actually, I would like to tell you again, the poet got blind at the age of 44 and he was very irritated and dejected. He was thinking that God would chide him, that God would scold him, but soon there was a sound from his conscience that God does not expect such a labor from a blind person. And at the same time, patience to prevent that murmur. It means the murmuring means the poet was murmuring in unclear words that God would do this, God would do that, and what will I do, and like this. So many questions were there in the mind of the poet, but his patience checked his murmur. It means, but his patience tried to control his murmur and replies and consoles the poet. Patience is replying here. That's why there is personification, because patience is an abstract form and it is acting as a person, and whenever a non-living thing or quality acts as a person, it is called personification. God doth not need either man's work or his own gifts. Here the patience makes the poet realize that God does not need any man's work, any man's worship, any man's presenting true account, or anything to offer him. It means God never needs anything from anybody. Who best bear his mild yoke means the person. Yoke means sufferings. Mild means with patience. The person who suffer his sufferings with patience, who takes a good command for patience on him, is the best person who serves him. It means the person who is in miseries, even he is patient with the wishes and desires of God, and he surrenders and yields to God. He is the best worshipper. In this way, they serve him best. Means the persons who accepts all the wishes, who accepts all the desires of God, whether they are in misery or happiness, is the best worship to God. So the poet need not write any poetry. God is just like a king, means his estate is kingly. Thousands at his bidding speed. Thousands at his bidding speed means there are thousands of angels are there to fulfill the wish of God. It means if God requires anything, he can command thousands of his angels and they will fulfill it. And these angels are not only on land, but they are posted on water too. As the line says, speed and post over land and ocean, means there are thousands of angels on water and on land who can fulfill the desire of God. It means God is not dependent on the service of man or work, because he has thousands of angels to get his wish fulfilled. So the poet does not need to irritate that God would chide him, God would scold him, and what answer he would give to God. He should be patient, he should have patience, and he should yield to the decision of God to make him blind. They also serve who only stand and wait. And in this last line, that is a very proverbial line, and people repeat it. It is said in this line, the person who has nothing to serve anybody, even to God, and he keeps on standing in wait that he would have someday and he would serve then, will be counted in the service to God and humanity. It means a person without the resources to serve anybody, if he is standing and waiting for the things that he will have someday, all those things, and then he will serve God, his standing and doing nothing will be accounted in the service to God or to humanity. So man should not complain at all about God. Students, before we finish this stanza, we should come to know the figure of speeches, the poetic devices used in this stanza. But patience to prevent that murmur. In these two lines, patience is personified. It is taken as a person because patience is replying. That's why personification figure of speech is used here. And in this line, thousands at his bidding speed, the large number of the angels is referred to here. That's why hyperbole figure of speech is used. And one more paradox figure of speech is used here. They also serve who only stand and wait, means paradox figure of speech is that figure of speech in which we contradict any statement. The contradiction is standing and waiting, but are taken as the service of God. These are two contradictory ideas. That's why paradox figure of speech is used here. So students, keep on watching और ऐसी classes of English language. Thanks.